Hi, it's Miriam, the Cottage Creatrix. I'm a plastic canvas artist, and today what I'm going to be showing you in our plastic canvas basics is a running stitch. You're going to start by just going and bringing the thread up in one of the holes, and this is just the easiest stitch that there is in plastic canvas. You're just going to go up, and then you're going to go down in the next hole. The next hole over from that, you're going to go up, and then you're going to go down in the next hole, up in the next hole, and down, and up, and down. And that finishes a row of running stitches. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and weave my thread in the back here so that it holds it. Gonna go and clip it. I'm doing up another sample card for my stitch library. I've made a binder that I'm keeping all of these stitches in for quick and easy reference. And what I'm going to do is the bottom portion of the card, I'm going to do a running stitch going all the way down it. So once again, it's just up and down, up and down. Once you come to the end of the row, it's your choice whether you want to go and do it in a brick type pattern where it just alternates, or if you want to go and start 2 holes in so that it matches all of these ones. The brick pattern is kind of cool, so that's what I'm going to use in my sample library book. I'm just gonna keep filling this card up all the way down with stitches. Okay, so here's my finished card of the running stitch. Now what the running stitch is it's actually comprised of a straight stitch. Each one of these is called a straight stitch. Now this can go either side to side like I've shown. You could do it up and down. You can go do it on the diagonal as well. But it's just a basic stitch. You could do it just like I showed here with one up, one down, one up and down. Variations, you can go as long as you want, as short as you want. And yeah, if you put a whole bunch side by side, then it's called a satin stitch. And that's if the stitches all line up straight together, side by side, as opposed to the brick pattern that I went and worked in here. Now, the one thing to realize about this is that the back does get very messy. So if you're just going to use this, you'll need to finish it off with either another finished piece of backing, or you could put a felt backing on it just to make it look a lot nicer. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and put a like on the video itself. The next stitch in the video series that I'm going to be doing will be the back stitch. Thanks so much and have a great day.